2025 Toyota Tacoma 2WD. With less than 18,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera. Take home the car of your dreams today.